Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to merge Fortnite accounts on PS5. So let's start. So I'm here on the Epic Games where you can download this Fortnite, and it says that it's possible to merge Epic Games or not, and it says that it's no way to merge two Epic accounts. So it's now proceed with request merging accounts. So do it's not possible to transfer items from account to another. For more information, you have to check how to transfer. If you want to connect your Xbox, PlayStation, or Switch to your account, big things, follow the steps, and how you can start with your progress and sign cross from your device. You can do it. Check this the steps that you have, and when you see the progress, it will merge or sync your account for Fortnite to your account on PC or your account on PlayStation, whatever you prefer. So you have to check them and check carefully. Check the steps that they give you. So before you continue, soon it's important to understand the following about the link in your Epic account and to have your Fortnite game. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.